Here is Lily. Welcome you and your family and your friend coming our live show. This is Lily here from Hengwang Group. Today we will introduce our drilling machine. Now you can see we are the door on our factory. From here you can see this is our whole factory. That's our door. From my finger you can see there has a logo HW. HW means Hengwang. That's our Hengwang Group logo. We are the professional manufacturer for kinds of drilling machines and power driver machine. Today we are mainly introduce our new machine for drilling rig. Let's go to see our factory firstly, and then we introduce our drilling machine. Follow with me. You can see this big, this is the drilling machine. Okay, follow me please. Hello, brother. Welcome to coming our exhibition show. Here you can see all our machinery. We are showing here. Today we are mainly introduce our drilling machine. It is the model is very popular. We will introduce our main machine for HQZ-260, the pneumatic drilling machine. As we all know, for the drilling machine, it needs to drilling the borehole in different depths. It needs drilling in different depths. Maybe you need to drilling 100. Maybe you need to drilling 100 meters. You can find the water. Maybe you need to drilling 200 meters to drilling the water. But maybe some place like the Africa, it is very dry. So maybe you need to drilling 500 even 600 meters to drilling the water. Can't find the water. That's no problem. We have a kinds of drilling machine and different model could drilling with different capacity. For the geology, maybe there has some soil, some rock. We have the hydraulic model and the pneumatic model to drilling different geology. So no matter which kind of geology you have, how many meters you want to drilling, that's no problem. You just tell us. We will recommend you our most suitable machine to help you. Today, let's mainly showing our most popular rig for HQZ-260. How to say 260? That means this machine, this model, max could drilling 260 meters. That's the machine drilling depth. This belongs the pneumatic model. How to say pneumatic? That means it is mainly drilling soil and mainly drilling rock. So if you meet a very hard rock, very hard stones, this machine can help you do the borehole. Also with very quickly speed. So this machine is working with a very good working performance. Please. The drilling diameter, as we all know, for this rig, the drilling diameter is 100 from 100 millimeter to 294 millimeter. From my back, you can see that's our pneumatic drill rig. That's the machine we are mainly introducing you today. You can see it is very light. This belongs the pneumatic drill rig. So it is very popular because it's working with air compressor. The drilling speed very fast. For this one, we can see if you want to drilling a borehole 200 meters, maybe one day can finish this work because this machine drilling speed is 25 meters per hour. 1 hour could drilling 25 meters and 6 to 35 meters. Now let's learn this machine. Let's study this machine very carefully, very details. From here you can see this and back this machine, there has two legs too. So this machine totally has four legs. This is the hydraulic outrage legs. For this machine have two functions. One is to keep the stable when the machine working. Because when we drilling into underground, the machine will move with the track, but with the full outrage, it can stand on the ground, so it can keep the stable when drilling the machine. Also, it has another function, that is the hydraulic leg could lifting. The hydraulic leg could lifting. The total height it can lifting is 1.4 meters. So the machine the downstream point, that is the corella from the ground, the big distance it can it is 1.4 meters. So the truck can move under the drill rig very easily. So when we lifting the machine, it is very easy to loading on the truck because it can working on the truck itself. So it is very easy and very convenient with the high outrage legs. For our standard model, it is the low hydraulic outrage. So if you want to change it into the high hydraulic outrage, need another fees. But it is very convenient when loading the truck. Outside, because if it can't loading on the truck, maybe you need to find the forklift, find the crane to loading it on the truck. But with the high outrage, then it will very easy, very convenient to loading on the truck. So this one is, I think it is necessary. So if you need, we can install this for you. And here you can see this is there has a hydraulic fork. Here you can see there is a hydraulic fork. This one can help you discharge loading and unloading the drill road. So it is very convenient when we discharge to take apart the drill road. So this is hydraulic could leave manpower. So it help you to save much manpower fees. It is very convenient for you. It is standard equipped. It will install on the rig when you buy the rig. And here you can see there has a small light. For this light, it could lighting on the night. So when your work is not finished, need to work in the night. So it is very convenient to use this light to help you lighting the place to continue your drilling business. So this one, even it is small, but it will help you much. So it is also very useful. From here you can see that's our power head. For this one, the power head is lying on the rig. When the machine working, it will vertically stand here to connect the drill road from this borehole to drilling the ground. For that power head, you can see there has a connector. For this connector, it will connect the drill road, the impactor, and the drill bit to do the drilling when it's working. And here you can see there has some hydraulic hose. This is our hydraulic system. Here you can see there has much hydraulic pipe. It is very durable. We import this part from other countries like Italy and American. This machine is very durable and also can working in the very hot temperature. So this one very durable. Also not with a long working life. And from here you can see there has two electric motor. There has two blue one. For electric motor, it is imported from from other country. It will improve the machine speed because it can extend the drilling. Extend the drilling. It can extend the torque. Then the drilling diameter could bigger. So this one could drilling with a faster speed, also with a very durable quality. And the big diameter. So it is very useful when also durable. From here you can see this is our track. This is our track. For this machine we are loading with a carrilla. For this one is the construction rubber carrilla. Our standard will match with the rubber construction rubber carrilla. If you want to the steel carrilla, that's no problem. We can change the rubber carrilla into the steel carrilla. How is the difference about the rubber carrilla and the steel carrilla? Because there has some customers, some of them like the carrilla, track, like the rubber track. Some others are need the steel track. We omit of them. For the rubber carrilla, it can work in rubber track. It can work in the hometown, in the smaller road, because it is more protectable for our country road. But for the steel carrilla, it is more suitable on the highway road, also more suitable on our mountain road, because it is still maybe much durable than the rubber carrilla. So if your place has some rocks, has some stones, also is the mountain area, then it could. Then you can choose the steel carrilla. If you are using in your hometown, in your home, maybe you can choose the construction rubber carrilla. They are all very durable, with the long working life. So do not worry about the quality. We all use the high quality material to produce this machine. We'll keep you the good quality. 完了，真的能懂没得？那上面有个 discount。Here you can see this is for this big one on the top. Top on the rig is our hydraulic tower. For this tower, this is 3 meters. Now it is lying on the rig. You can see this big yellow one. The total one is the hydraulic tower. The length is 3 meters. So for this, with the machine working, the hydraulic tower will stand on this seat to connect, to lift the drill rod, drill bit, and impactor to do the drilling work. For this hydraulic tower, it is 3 meters. So for this tower, we can the stroke is 3.6 meters. So it can connect the 1 meters drill rod, 1.5 meters drill rod, and 2 meters drill rod, and max is 3 meters drill rod. But if you want to do less change for the drill rod, want to do the work very fast, maybe you can use we can change the 3 meters drill tower to 6 meters drill tower. So the machine max could drilling 6 meters hydraulic, 6 meters drill rod. So you can save the time for change the drill rod to do your work very fast. Here you can see this is our operating table. There has some charm table and also has the key. For this one, control the start to move the machine, and this one to stop the machine, stop the engine. And you can see for the language, you can see there has English and Chinese. So it is very easy for you to understand. To understand them. Also if you want, maybe some customers not speak Chinese and English, not very understand. You maybe speak French and Spanish. That's all no problem. We can change the language into the Chinese and the Spanish and the French. It is very easy to operate. There is a handle to control the drilling tower, drilling rig, and the drill rod, and the machine working behind and down. That's the control cable. And here also is the control cable from generally for our 216 model. The drilling depth is 216 meters. For this place, if some workers are tired, you can sit here to have a rest. We also can change this place. On this place, we can install a chair to stand here. So for this one, some people can work here, can have a rest here. Also, when the machine working, the people can sit down the chair to have a work. For this, there has totally six handles to control the four hydraulic leg. Also control the hydraulic tower and the machine move and working. Here you can see this is the machine main place. This is the main place of the machine. This is the engine. For the 200, from here you can see this is the engine. For the 216 model, we all use 76 kilowatt engine. You can choose the Yuchai engine and the Yunnan engine. Generally, our standard model is match you the Yuchai engine because Yuchai is our famous engine in China. It belongs the number one. It belongs the number one engine. It is with the high quality and durable working performance. So many our clients are trust it. For the Yuchai engine, also has some after sales service in the overseas. So you can so if the engine has any problems, you all can choose the after sales service to have a repair about it. It is very popular and very convenient. But if maybe there has clients are not very trust Chinese engine, maybe you can choose the Cummins engine, Cummins and Dodge, also other brand engine that all can installed for you. So maybe the price is different, need some fees, but that's no problem. The machine all can install, all can produce for you. So if you have any requirement, just tell us. Our engineer and our sales manager all can arrange for you. Here, this green part you can see. This is our air filter. This is our filter. Also with this box, this is our filter. For this one, it belongs the maintenance part. For this part, we will match one shield for you to be the maintenance part when machine shipping. For this part, it will help the machine to protect the machine from the sand, from the soil, and from the stones. So it will have a very good performance, good protection for you. For this yellow part, you can see this part. There has a borehole. There has a hole. This one is to connect with the air compressor. There will have a maybe need a air hose. There need an air hose to connect this part and the air compressor. The air compressor also has this such part. So this one is to match with the air compressor for the machine drilling. The air compressor is supply the main power for the machine drilling. If not with the air compressor, the machine cannot drill the rock. So with the air compressor, the machine can drill the rocks very easily. Also with very very also with very fast speed. The machine with the air compressor drilling the borehole, drilling the stone will make the stone make the rock to become the powered out of the borehole. Here is the the two legs, and front this rig also has two legs. That's the high hydraulic leg. For this part, we can see. For this part, you can see there has a Y. There is a long Y. For this one, this is a winch. So the winch, the main usage is to help the machine to lift the drill rod, because the drill rod is very heavy. For 3 meters, it will 30 kilogram. So it is very heavy when the machine lifting and down. For the winch, we'll have to lifting the drill rod. The winch capacity is 1,500 kilogram. That's the winch. And in the back also has another light. The light is same like the behind. It's like the front that's working in the night to lighting the road. Let's see the parts: drill rod and impactor and drill bit. They are showing here. Here you can see that's this big. That's the drill bit. It is very big. Maybe it is 300 millimeters model. So no matter how many big drill bit you want, we all can produce for you. And here, that's the drill bit. That's the DTH drill bit. Will match with the pneumatic drill rig. And this is the impactor. That's all belong impactor. That's a different model. The impactor hammer will match with the drill bit. Different drill bit size will match with the different drill bit. That's all the drill impactor. You can see here. This is the drill bit. That is connected with the impactor. The compactor will connect with the drill bit, just like this. For this one this is another impactor to round. That's all the DTH drill bit. That's the different size and different capacity drill bit. That's all the DTH drill bit with different size. You can see from smaller to bigger. That is the connector. That's the connector. That connector is connected with the impactor and the drill rod. From one point, another point. One point connected with the drill bit, drill rod. Another point is, another side is connected with the drill impactor. That's two is belongs the quickly change. It with the quickly change, it can change the drill rod very quickly and easily. Here on this fork, there is kinds of drill rod. You can see that's different size drill rod. For this one, it is 1 meters. The two one is 1 meters drill rod, and the two is 1.5 meters drill rod. 1.5. That's the 2 meters drill rod. That's the 3 meters drill rod. You can see because the drill tower is 3 meters, so you all can match with 1 meters, 1.5 meters, 2 meters, and 3 meters drill rod. That's you all can change. We also have a 6 meters drill rod. For the 6 meters drill rod, you have to change the hydraulic tower 3 meters to 6 meters. For the 6 meters drill tower, you can use the 6 meters drill rod. You can see this is very durable, very thickness. So no matter you're drilling 100 meters, 200 meters, maybe 500 meters, 600 meters, this all can do, not easy broke. This is your best choice. Also for the drill rod, there has different size. For the 76 millimeter size, also have 89 millimeters. Also have 104 millimeters, 111 millimeters. Size, you all can choose. Different size will match different drill rod. So no matter how many meters and how size you want to choose, that's all can suitable for your work. We have a very big discount in the March April. More than $20,000. You can enjoy $1,000 for discount. So not to wait. That's a good time. That's a good time to place the order this month. So we are welcome you. We are welcome your orders. You can see outside is many containers is waiting to loading the machines. So place the order now, then your machine can loading very soonly. We are Hengwang Group. This is Lily here. If you have any questions, just send a message to us. Our sales manager will help you solve your questions. If you want to know the price, you also can send a message to us. We will help you to. We will quote you the price one by one. All of you will enjoy very big and very low price. Please order. You can enjoy the discount for $1,000. We are Hengwang Group. If you have any needs, just leave messages to us. Thank you.